Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to show you something new I'm doing because I had to move my grape plants to the fence line and get them out from the middle of the garden. It was just taking up too much room. There are a lot of mustard volunteers here that I'm going to be cutting back. There's Lulu. But there's a flame seedless, Thompson. This is from my late grandmother's huge grape plant that I did a cutting from. Random cuttings. A Concord. A Thompson. So you're the one breaking my limbs. What are you trying to do? Prune? Oh, by the way, she likes to play with the unripe fruit. She'll bite it and run around with it. I don't know. Already a lot of the plums on the burgundy plum tree got knocked off by her, and she just jumps around and plays with it. And the last grape plant, a Manuka. A dark colored grape. So right over here is the Manuka. And then there's the rest of them back over here. As you can see, it's just a shelving bracket screwed into some garden stakes into the fence so the fence doesn't get so damaged. And then rope down so the grapes can climb up the rope and then go along. Very inexpensive. Instead of putting a big trellis or arbor, it's going to be a lot easier for me to prune as well. Having grapes on an arbor may look beautiful, and it does, but it is extremely difficult and unsafe to prune grapes on an arbor. You have to get really high on the ladder, lean over to try to reach your vines to prune them back. It's not safe at all. So this is pretty inexpensive, safe, and easy to use. It's going to be pretty fun this year, growing up the vines up here, and it'll just be blanketed of grape leaves throughout. You won't even be able to see the fence. So all except for the Manuka over there, that's been in the ground in that location for over a year, and it's about 3.5 years old so far, have been moved, dug up, and transplanted in these locations. So I'm not expecting too much production. The Concord's pushing some production, as you can see right here. And over here, some more. But the rest of the varieties will probably not produce any grape clusters. We'll probably use the leaves to make dolma or yalanchi, or pickle them and save them for next year. We'll see. It'll be really fun. Alright everybody. Happy gardening. Bye.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for